So I'm joined by Luginbuhl, who's the CTO of Orange in Europe. Christian, love to see you. Now, we're going to talk about virtualization. Orange, one of the sort of the proponents really of this technology across Europe. Tell us about how prepared you have to be to go on this virtualization journey in terms of having the right people, the skills, the talents, the buy-in from the top. What do you need to start this journey?
There are different viewpoints to it. First of all, I think preparation, you cannot really be prepared today. I think we have to gradually prepare ourselves to it. What we're seeing is now that it becomes really concrete. So we see after the first proof of concepts that there are really now some, I would say, products which make sense in terms of business opportunities. And therefore, I think the biggest challenges for the people working in technical environments are really to bring those kind of two worlds or two dimensions together, because obviously from the past and the evolution of our companies we had network specialists and IT specialists, and we see that coming together in the future. And so I think we have been quite intensively working now both to bring the best of those two worlds together. So this starts with, I would say, training. It starts with eventually recruiting some specific expertise. But I think it's a long-time investment and journey where we have ahead of us.
You've embarked on, yeah, absolutely. So you mentioned proof of concepts. One of the things we're sort of seeing is that operators are doing a lot of research, trials, proof of concepts. Where is Orange at in terms of having done those and actually commercializing this technology? Where are you at currently?
Yeah, I think a lot of the industry has been focusing on trying to find, I don't know, the killer product or the product to start with. And so, as you know, we are fairly involved in all research activities, either through our own teams, in partnerships with suppliers, or also trying to work as much as possible with startups, any bright ideas and kits and specialists who have some ideas on how to evolve those services. What we believe is that the level of maturity is probably more on the B2B activities. So our first products, which will come out this year, will be around B2B activities, because we see that our B2B clients are very eager to enter in those kind of new environments and fields, because they have to face also in their proper industries this move to digital.
It's like the same challenges,
yes,
yeah.
Exactly.
Obviously virtualization, just one of the myriad of technologies that you guys are working on. Where would you place virtualization versus all the other stuff that you're working on? Is it one of the most important? Is it one of the hardest to do? Put this in some sort of context for us.
That's also a very difficult question to answer. I would say it's probably one of the top priorities which lie ahead of us. It will really change us in the way we do our business, in the way we serve our clients, and in the relationship we have with I would say, our clients, whether they're B2B or B2C. And definitely in terms of the skills we need to acquire on those, I think it's probably from an HR perspective the biggest challenge. Now then again, I think our technical roadmaps are full of other innovations and evolutions. We talk about 4G, 5G, we talk about fiber, we talk about so many things that it really depends whether you look at it in terms of investment, where I believe still the access part is probably the biggest part we will spend our time and money on. But on the other side, the most disruptive is probably the virtualization.
Okay, Christian, thank you very much.
Thank you.